Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you how I completed these boho locks. So I start off by braiding her natural hair at the roots and twisting them at the ends. And then I add some pre-looped crochet hair to her roots. Now this is about 30 to 40 inches of hair we're about to install. So later on in the video, I'm going to show you how I achieved the length. Now I'm going to use my crochet needle and crochet a strand of hair through the roots and pull it straight through. Then I'm going to wrap the hair around very tightly at the roots for structure purposes. And then I'm gonna wrap it around tightly for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start wrapping loosely. Make sure you wrap very loosely. Like, you don't want a firm look. You want it to look like this. So I went ahead and braided the rest of her natural hair just so I can go a little faster, and got the hair out my way, and now I'm about to go in. So this is where I'm going to show you guys how I extended my locks. All I did was add an extra crochet piece to the end of the first lock and just tie the knot like so. I'm sorry y'all, but I have to give myself credit on these parts. Just look at those parts. Look at how neat they are. Like, really, for real, for real. Now you just wrap away. Wrap until you can't wrap no more. And if you run out of hair, don't worry, just keep adding more. Due to the fact that it's a messy look, you don't have to worry about structuring it as much as you would have to worry about structuring regular faux locks. Okay, now we're all done. So now I'm going to be using our Fizz Fluff foam. So I applied it more so on the roots, not so much on the hair itself, because you really don't need it on the hair as much. It's more important at the roots. And again, look at how neat those parts are. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Now I'm going to apply our sweet Accession hair growth oil. All you need is a few drops. You don't need that many drops. We don't want to waste product, okay? I do recommend adding a few drops to your scalp 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Now I'm going to apply our Beaute Brim Edge Control. Look at how these edges lay, okay? And the best part is, a little can go a very long way. Listen, I was very satisfied with the look of her edges. Like, I can honestly say, like, this is the best edge control that I've ever utilized. Her edges are flake free and they look natural. I have a thing for natural now. Okay, now it's time to give her a style. I'm gonna do a half up, half down style for her. That's what she wanted, so we're gonna go ahead and hook her up. I honestly think I took out way too much hair to put in this bun due to the fact that the locks are so long. So wrapping them was kind of a challenge because it just looked too big. Like the bun looked too big. So eventually I figured out what could work for her and it all worked out. So yeah, if your client prefers like a half up, half down or a bun or something, don't make the mistake of putting too much hair in the bun area because it'll be like way too bulky. Like your bun will be like huge. Only if you're doing it this long though. And voila, we're done. Look at how flawless this turned out to be. I give myself a pat on the back. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you guys next time.